Hi, welcome to Midweek Madness, and I'm Miss Amy, and I work with Dwight Foster Public Library, and it's Wednesday at 1 o'clock, and we're in the middle of the week, and so we are going to do a new challenge today. And for Midweek Madness this week, we're going to be making a planter out of a 2-liter bottle of soda or whatever you have in your house. You can use a 1 liter if you'd like, but I'm using a 2 liter. And the things you're gonna need today are a 2 liter or 1 liter bottle. You're gonna need a marker. You're gonna need a ruler. You're going to need either a plant or seeds. So you can do one or the other. We actually had some seeds at the library, but I'm going to do a plant today. You're gonna need soil and a trowel or a scooper so that you can get the soil out. I'm using gloves today, and you're gonna need water. All right, so that's what we need today. So first of all, you're going to take your 2 liter bottle or your liter bottle and your ruler. I'm going to go and measure 13 centimeters from the bottom. So that's what I'm doing. So I measured 13 centimeters from the bottom of my bottle, and then I made marks, and I went all the way around, and then I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to connect those marks. And by doing that, put your hand or your marker right on the mark, and then you just turn your bottle forward so that you can have a nice clean line. All right. So as you can see, now I have a line going all the way around my bottle. Then you're going to take a scissors. You could use a utility knife if you want to puncture it. My scissors are pretty sharp, so I'm just going to puncture without hurting myself. There we go. So I punctured it in, and then I'm going to cut along my line. And if you're younger, you may need an adult to help you with this. All right. Your scissors aside. So now you're going to have 2 halves, all right? And this one's going to end up fitting inside of this one, all right? Had a little bend in there, so it's going to go inside. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to put our cap on our bottle, on the top part, and then we're going to get out our trowel. Now, unfortunately, I'm kind of messy. And so I do a lot of gardening, so I have gloves. So I'm just going to use my gloves because I'm pretty messy with soil. All right. And so then you're going to take your soil and you're going to put it right into your container. Now I have something that's smaller, and that's important. All right. I'm going to put it right in here so that I can keep it upright. I'm doing oregano. I garden a lot, and so I like herbs, and I'm going to do this herb. When you do use plants though, and you get one in a container like this, when you do it, you want to make sure you break the bottom, which has all of the roots, and that makes the roots separate, and then they'll go out to get the water. So you want to make sure you break them. Like I said, here is the messy part. This is where Miss Amy gets messy. So if you want, you could even put newspaper down, if that's helpful to keep it so it's not so messy. But I'm just kind of messy, so. All right. And then we're going to fill that up. All right. So that's how we have it so far, all right? And it's all sitting in there. And it's kind of neat because you'll actually be able to see some of the roots as it grows, which is always kind of fun and interesting to watch from a scientific standpoint. So then I'm going to separate this. I have my gloves on, a little slippery. There we go. I'm going to put it right in there. All right. Then what we're going to do, our next step is to take our bottom part and we're going to put some water in it. All right. Now we're not going to put crazy amounts. I'm going to show you about where you should put it. Because when you put this in, okay, you want it to be so that it's above, like right at the cap, right at this part. That's for how high you want your water. All right, so I need a little bit more. All right, I'm going to put just a smidge more in. And if you really wanted to be creative, you could, before you actually put the water and things like that, and you could paint this if you wanted to. That would be kind of fun. All right. Okay, I'm right where I want to be. So when you get it to that point, then you're going to take the cap off. So we kept the cap on so that we're not getting soil everywhere. All right. And then we're going to put it in so that the water's going to go up, right? And it'll stop. The soil will stop. All right. And then it won't go all the way in it. And then we're going to take a little bit of water and we're going to water our plant on the top. All right. What's going to happen is it's going to end up self-watering is what it will do. Is it'll pull, the water will pull right up through it, and you can now put it, this likes a lot of sun, oregano does, this herb, and so I'm going to make sure that I put it up in my window so that I can pull it, pull the leaves off when I want to have some oregano when I'm cooking. So that's what we did today. I hope that you can enjoy this challenge. Soil, most people can find somewhere around their house, a 2-liter bottle. Most people have that in their house. And like I said, if you don't have plants or a herb or vegetables right now, you can always get some seeds from the store if you want. And then you're just going to put the seeds on the top and follow the directions as to how deep you should plant them. But you could do beans that way. You could do just about any of them if you really wanted to. So that is what we're doing. So we're doing a 2-liter bottle plant container today. All right. We still have curbside service. Wednesday, today, we will have that through the rest of the week. And next Tuesday, if you haven't heard, we are going to be open to the public. And so we just want to make sure that everyone knows that we're open and you can come in and enjoy all the books and the movies and the audiobooks we have. And we are really looking forward to seeing you. And I can't wait till next week for Midweek Madness, 1 o'clock on Wednesday, and we'll have another challenge. Have a great day. Bye-bye.